Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate your foreign receiving account inside your Payoneer account. This is typically a foreign bank account which you can use to receive payments all around the world. Now if this is activated and you have the US foreign bank account inside your Payoneer account, you can use this to receive payment from your PayPal account. So for other people that are having challenges with connecting their bank account or local bank account to their PayPal account, they can use their US receiving account inside Payoneer to receive funds from their PayPal account. Now I have a video on that, so if it's something that you're interested in, you can click the link up there and then watch that after this particular video. Now let's get right into how you can activate your foreign receiving account inside your Payoneer account. Let's go. So over here on Payoneer, we're just going to sign in, okay? If you already have your Payoneer account, you just go ahead and sign in. Now when you log in, you are going to come to this particular dashboard, okay? Now, as you can see, I've used my Payoneer account for so many transactions. So of course, there are some features that I have that probably may not be visible on yours because your account is new. For a very long time, Payoneer was making it easy for everyone to create these foreign accounts within their Payoneer account, okay? But then they realized that people were just abusing it. A lot of people were not using it for anything. It's like they're just wasting resources, okay? So they decided to take off some of these features and make it available for people who have used their account to send or receive money. If your account is new, I'm going to show you how you can request for some of these features, and then possibly you see the next steps to take and how you can get it working for you. So over here on the dashboard where it says contact our customer care team, click on the link that's right beneath that, okay? Over here, click on receive payments. Now scroll down on this page and then click on receiving account. Now over here, click on I want to apply for a receiving account. Over here, it gives you the steps to follow to create your receiving account. But then you are not able to do that. So even if you follow the steps, it wouldn't be successful. What I want you to do is scroll down to the end of this page, okay? And then click on contact us, okay? Now over here, you are going to send a message to the Payoneer customer care team, okay? So you click on this tab here to make sure that I want to apply for a receiving account in another currency is selected. And then you type in the message here. For example, hi, I want to be able to create a US receiving account, but I'm currently not able to, kindly assist. Very simple, right? So when you have this message in here, you just go ahead and tap on I'm not a robot, and then you tap on submit. Sometimes it's best you add a screenshot. So whatever screen that you are seeing, if it's that you are not seeing the feature at all, or maybe there's this $5,000 requirement before you can proceed and you don't know how to go about it, you can take a screenshot of that page and then you can click on choose a file here, select that screenshot, and then you can attach the file there. When you submit, they can understand in detail what your problem is really about, and then they will respond to it in less than a day or two, and then they will help you with the next steps and what to do and all of that. Sometimes they will require that you receive at least $50 in your Payoneer account before you can access this feature. Now if that is an issue for you, what you can do is you can get someone who already has a Payoneer account and then ask the person to send you $50 into your account. After you do this process and all of that, you can send it back to the person. Another way you can do this is by creating a gig on Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where people offer services and then they get paid for that. So you can set up a gig on Fiverr. When you do that, you can ask a friend or someone you know to go on Fiverr and then buy that gig. And when you do that, that payment is going to come into your Payoneer account, something around $50 or $55. And then from there, you can now get access to this particular feature and create your US bank account within your Payoneer account. And from there, you can use it for anything that you want to use it for. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. If you are facing any difficulties or any challenges, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.